You need this. I don't know what your best plan is. Eventually go the other way.
This is actually, I think, makes no sense to go this way.
Okay.
Imagine the rock, falls from underneath.
It probably won't, dude.
I was saying.
Hey, well, these rocks have been here for hundreds of
I was
thousands
gonna
of
say
years.
this rock has been here long before you came around.
If it were gonna move, it would have moved by now.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, Nathan up on the whatever he's doing up there. I don't know. All right. Nathan, make sure you tell Matt where to go.
Don't fall that way.
Okay, that's a good instruction.
That's good instruction. Thank you.
And don't fall that way. Just stay in the middle and hold on to both sides.
It is kind of fun the interaction between the older and the younger ones.
Don't die.
Meanwhile, the parents are like,
Oh, that is very sage advice.
I took my daughter up that way last time.
Go. You gonna come to the outside?
Oh,
I like it myself. It's easier than stooping down. And,
more that twisting the back that makes me go.
yeah, exactly. Right here.
Other foot, right?
Here, right up here. Awesome. Okay. I'm right behind you.
What is that in that direction? That's the entrance. I'll go with that way.
That's where we're going.
What's that way? No, we can't go down there.
No. Yeah, I was also from over there, right down there. If you want to go look, you can see.
All right.
Oh yeah, your mom came up that way last time.
Can we move on up?
We're working on it.
All right. Just making sure we're all okay.
We're in no worse shape than when we got in here. How about that?
Yeah, your dad.
Yeah.
Okay's a scratch. Nah, come on. Come on.
Going down there?
I think we're.
Where does this way lead?
Okay, hold on.
Hang on, let our guide get up here before we get out of
Let me
box.
get myself situated. Now, from here, there's the way we came up is one passage. That's another passage. There's another passage down here, and there's a passage down there. This one down here actually has a split off on it, but we're not going to do that just yet because it's a bear to climb up. This one here, you have to go down, slide underneath, sideways slide under a rock, and then you're kind of like crawling all the way to a room where you can stand up. Do you remember that?
I remember. It's kind of like a chimney almost.
Okay, you got it then. I'm not even going to bother to explain it to you. Do you want to take charge of that one?
Yeah, I'll take charge of
He's
this
gonna
one.
go after you and I'll follow him.
Okay. It is a hard climb.
It is.
It's hard to climb up.
Alright.
And then I'll get pictures of you guys coming back out.
Enough.
Who wants to go that way with them? I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Robert.
Robert? Okay, got it.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay, very good. Does anybody not want to go that way?
Everybody else, I think.
Yeah, I think everybody else.
All right. So we're going to go head back this way. Do you remember how that goes with the crack on the side? Very good. Thank you. You can lead them.
I see somebody molded a bowl.
Oh, is it up there still?
It is.
That's been up there for like a couple of years, I think. I thought somebody took it out, but I guess it just got pushed
There's
back.
to be some other artwork up here as well.
Good.
Oh my God.
I like that.
Wow.
That's where I'm at. Okay.
Okay, you guys take care of Matt.
So what, 3 you were going that way?
You gotta let go of the rock. Take care, Matthew.
Dooley, you're gonna need help.
bye-bye.
Don't just go blindly. Wait for Dooley to be done.
Where is Dooley going?
He's going on the midnight train.
Is he going anywhere? He's taking a midnight
I'm
train.
gonna try to scoot past you.
Yeah, scoot away.
Here I come.
Whoa, man. What's your language?
Matthew, watch your language. It's right.
This guy's clean.
Yeah, watch the language. I don't want to have to beep anything out. Matt, Rob, and
Wait, where is Dooley?
Yes. Yeah.
I think I saw his feet.
All right.
Oh, well, I guess that's all they're gonna recover.
Okay, we're gonna wait here for them to come through. Listen, you've been through this, right?
Yes.
You have to. Do you remember doing this?
Robbie did that.
No.
Robbie did that.
Robbie, do you want to try it?
No.
No, not at all. Oh, okay.
I'm good.
It's like a, so
It's
when you
like,
get down
like
there,
you're like this.
it's like really small.
Yeah, I tried one of the tunnels like that. Like I did it and I don't want to do it again.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. You've done it. That's good enough.
Big spider.
Okay.
Big out.
Alright.
I actually no tread on my shoes, so I'm just sliding.
Okay.
But when you get to the end here, you can step down a step,
Okay.
and since you're back and your hands form 2 points, 1 foot at a time becomes your 3rd point. So yeah,
Who's he
keep
have
shuffling
behind?
down to get to here, and see how the crack just kind of comes down.
Yeah.
Work your feet down here, and eventually you're on the ground.
Okay.
Did we lose the children down that hole?
I think so.
Alright, yeah, you see how there's a lower shelf for your foot? There you go, just keep shuffling.
I totally had a comment on this.
We've had no volunteers to try it again.
Wait, down here?
Yeah.
Wait, like you go down and go that way, right?
Yeah.
I think I did this one.
Yeah. I think so.
I think I had a big lunch today though, so. Wait, not
Okay.
Nah, we'll give it
Okay. Oh, if you're gonna do it, I want to get evidence.
I'm pretty sure I did this before.
Oh, so if they don't find him, you gotta go there and look. Yeah.
I don't know if I'm that flexible anymore.
Don't go leg. You have to go head first, I think.
Alright, you go head first into here.
Oh, I can hear him in the walls.
There's dualies on the walls.
Where do I go from here? I turn left, right?
Right.
You go right.
Yes.
He disappeared before I even got my camera up. That was that fast. Did you guys go through
I didn't go through that hole. I went through the holes back there.
the hole back there?
Yes.
Did you do the other chimney that goes down to the catacombs where it's a long
it
belly
has, like,
crawl?
A lot of those holes.
Yeah.
I did that.
You did that. Okay. Do you want to lead them through that?
Nathan's in pain.
Don't stand up. It's not you right where your hands.
You can't get lost.
Okay.
We can just take turns leading. If you've done this before, you'd be surprised what you can remember and what you can do. Okay, we're gonna stay together a little bit here too. I'm gonna make sure these guys get up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, come on.
Oh, I gotta get up there?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up the right.
Come on, up the chimney. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
I see a dually.
They're making their way.
I see a dually.
Yes.
Is it left or right?
Either way works.
Oh, I see the way as well.
Just go explore.
And right
Have
behind
fun.
him, there should be a Matthew.
Yeah, Matthew's coming up next.
All right, cool.
Very good.
Is it, Alan, is it left or right?
My knee pad.
Either way works. You can go right.
Either way, probably right.
You all right, Nathan?
Yeah, trying to figure out where to go.
Hi. You found it.
My balls.
You have to come down over here.
Oh, all right.
It's a lot safer than jumping off
I see.
that. There you go. You got that.
Yep. Fix up these knee pads. Already significantly filthier.
Matt, you all good?
Yes.
He may need some help from the top too.
Alright. Just let me know, Matt.
Matt.
Matt, over to where me.
Which way did they go? Did they go down that way? Or
Yeah,
this way?
they went down that way.
Y'all good, Matt? I came up on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, figure it out.
Noah behind you?
I can't tell. It's a question for Matt.
Hey Matt, is Noah behind you?
Yes.
Alrighty.
It's pretty much all you see is a headlamp. Showing you your face.
Hello.
Hello.
Very good. You're doing good.
Hi Matt.
And just scoot along here. And get down here.
Yep. Foot here.
Here you go.
This one.
Doing good.
Yeah, they do that.
Where am I getting down here? There's a rock right here. Have to be careful that you don't fall down the hole though.
Is this clay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I looked through the shimmy.
There you go. Doing good.
What's that way?
That's another passage.
Where?
Down here.
You can go down there, you can go to the chimney, to the catacombs. There's another section underneath, but they're headed back that way, so we're gonna try that way first. Stay together.
That big of a gap between.
Or we're going down here next?
Oh, gonna go down, there's a rock here that you can step down on to help yourself down. Okay. Step down to here.
I might lose the coveralls.
There you go.
Step one.
Very good. Very good. You guys are doing good.
Thanks.
Doing really good. Come on this way, Matt. They went that way.
This way?
Yep.
Alright.
Gotta stay together.
Stay together.
Easy to get lost in here.
I know.
Is there anybody behind you?
No.
So I don't know if I want to drive home with you.
Okay. Now we went down that way
Noah's there, okay.
Yeah, Noah's right there.
and
Go that.
over top the rock and then to the right.
Make the right.
I'll just go to
You keep testing that helmet, huh?
Yeah.
Let me know if it doesn't work.
I think you'll know if it won't work.
I think so too.
sweatshirt with a little end, get this?
You okay, dude?
Matt and Noah are coming right from there.
You okay?
Okay, we're gonna go to the right. Oh, they all went to the left?
It looks like it. This direction, yeah.
Okay, we're supposed to go to the right, but that's
You want me to
okay.
go this way?
Well, I don't know what, let's see, did anybody go down that hole? No, they didn't. We'll just try to stay together.
There was a shelf and somebody had multiple little plate bowl and other things. Come on, imagine that. Wait, I'm sorry, a scaling up snake. With a basketball. It's just a marker. Pointer. Things are going up. Yeah, it was air dry. It was air dry. Wait, they're made it like, the muck and whatnot, it was pretty solid. So,
All right.
first answer. Anyway, everybody's going back way. Alright.
Everyone's this way?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, they're all there.
Wait, are we coming back this way?
I don't know.
About.
Nathan's looking for a spot to dump his sweatshirt to pick up on the way out.
We can grab it from here.
Okay? If found, please return to. Did you put your name in it?
You know, do you have a Sharpie?
Oh,
I'm sure that someone could be so nice as to come down here.
We go this way?
What was that?
I'm trying to scare everyone.
That's okay, we don't need that.
Where'd everybody else go to?
This direction?
Okay. Well, I guess they know where they're going then, right?
I mean, I
They'll
guess so.
say, oh, the catacombs is this way, and then that's where they're going.
Okay.
I should have just gone the other way then.
It's amazing what you can convince people to do when you have a lot of confidence.
Yes, yes,
Alright, you said I just pick it up back from here?
yeah.
I can't just Sharpie it down?
Sorry, the postman doesn't deliver here.
Nathan.
Don't forget, I'll get it next week.
Is this the room?
Dude, my eye was like getting trapped
Like,
in
I
a
kinda-
rock in a hard place.
I kind of remember some of these things. I just can't remember what's where. But like, all of a sudden you pop into an open, like, oh, I've been here. Okay, I think I know where we're at.
You think?
Yeah.
Keyword!
I got to the end of that crawl and I'm like, I think I turned left here. Because I can hear all my voices to the left, so I'm going to keep going to the left.
Now, try to describe it without using the words rock or mud. Yeah.
So it was dark, there was a pointy thing, it was brown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw a little bit of
Turn
black.
left at the brown stuff.
I was doing a trip with a friend of mine. We were taking some other people through a different cave. And he was going through one way,
So what other caves?
and some people didn't want to go that way, so I was going to take them a different way, and I couldn't remember. It was only like my second or third time in that cave. I said, now where do I go from here? He goes, you go down the path where the water used to be, you duck under that rock. And everybody kind of looked at me,
Where the water used
and
to
I was like, yeah, I know where that is. It's like,
New.
Well, that's like giving directions, around your hometown. You go to that corner where the old oak was.
yeah.
Past where that place that used to be a gas station.
There was a railroad track that went across there.
Alright, now I'm a little.
Yeah, and turn left where the old horse stables were.
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
Alright, which way am I going? Why is my headlight so dim?
Let me
Because
see.
you've been staring at ours.
Oh, it is dim. Okay.
Hit the button and lighten it up a little more.
That turns it off.
That turns
Is there
it off.
multiple
Okay,
stages to it? 'Cause some
use your
of them-
backup light for now.
Some
And,
of them have like multiple stages.
This one doesn't.
And then when we get to a point, your backup light needs to go on now, still. Then
Where are we
we'll
going again?
cross that way, and then down
So we're
to
just
the
going
right.
wherever that other what does this crevice lead to?
I'm not sure.